Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the August 2026 Curated Bead Box to open up with you all today. I have a coupon code for the Curated Bead Box. It's Teresa35, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. It looks like the theme this month is champagne and bronze. Sounds like it's going to be pretty. Take a little peek here and then I'll open it up. Organize it, I mean. There's a little peek of what's in there. So hold on, I'll sort everything out. Not bad. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. First I have the Findings Starter Kit. Each box always contains a Findings Starter Kit. And it alternates between silver and gold. This time it's in gold. So I've got some memory wire, stretchy string, some fishhook air wires, some crimp beads, some jump rings, some lobster clasps, some head pins, and some bead stringy wire. So that's really handy to have a Finding Starter Kit. And then in the strands, the first strand I have is an 8-inch strand of 10mm champagne crackle glass beads. Those are really pretty. And then next is an 8-inch strand of 10mm latte glass pearl beads. They're really pretty too. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 8mm brown / turquoise spot marble style glass beads. Those are really pretty. Got a little bit of turquoise in them there. And then next is an 8-inch, 7 to 8-inch strand of 8mm lemon quartz gemstone beads. Those are really pretty. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 6mm slate glass pearl beads. Big long strand of beads. Really pretty beads. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 6mm drizzled bronze glass beads. Those are really pretty. Got that little drizzle on them. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 6mm light brown crackle glass beads. Another big long strand. And then next is a 7 to 8-inch strand of 6mm beige jasper gemstone beads. These are really pretty. And then next is a 7 to 8 inch strand of 6mm tiger's eye gemstone beads. Several gemstone bead strands in the box this time. And then next is a 16 inch strand of 4mm dark brown crackle glass beads. It's really pretty. It's kind of hard to see that crackle effect because they're so dark, but it's in there. And then next are two different styles of bead caps. One says, they both say 6mm metal gold bead caps. One says approximately 30 caps and one says approximately 25. But I counted them, they both have 25, so I guess that's just a typo or something. So there's these. The inside there. They're really pretty. And then there's these. They're really pretty. These are my favorite though. I like these. And then next are 15 8mm metal gold spacer beads. I don't know, did I say 18 or 15? 15 8mm metal gold spacer beads. These are really pretty. Really pretty little spacer beads. And then there is two 30 by 16mm rose gold metal pendants. So these are little roses. Really, really pretty. Really pretty. And then last are two abstract 30 by 16mm abstract gold metal pendants. Those are really pretty, really nice. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the August 2026 Curated bead box called Champagne and Bronze. Lots of really pretty beads and findings in this box. And like I said, if you're not a subscriber and you decide that you want to be, that coupon code will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.